I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos. You'll be fed up with the sight of me today, as this is my third video, but I have promised you a giveaway. This is one of the March Madness giveaways that I have been doing, and sometimes I will do spot prize giveaways. So that is what this is about today. Now, just a little bit from me. I do my giveaways as a way to say thank you to you all for following me, for watching my videos, for your comments, for your amazing emails. You know, YouTube for me isn't about the money, because to be honest with you, I'm in deficit really, because I probably make £5 to £10 a week if I'm lucky, and I usually give away that much in prizes at least. So it's not about the money for me. It's about people coming together to craft, to you know, it's friendship. It really is. And you know, I just really want to say thank you to you all. That's why I do my giveaways. So this spot prize giveaway is for a lovely lady today who has left a comment on my one of my videos. As you all do, you've all got a chance of these spot prize giveaways. I will just sometimes choose someone, and other times you're entered into a draw and you're picked randomly. So the person who has won these goodies, now let me tell you about these goodies. I did do a video the other day on my ribbons, and I do have quite a lot, so I want to kind of share the love a little bit, and one person really doesn't need as many ribbons as I have. So we have all of these gorgeous, look at this one's really pretty. I love that one. And then some nice cord here, and then some satin ribbons, and then I have a whole roll of satin ribbon there in this gorgeous lovely pale blue, and then a bag of these mixed ribbons and fibers, and then just a little pack of ribbons there. So this is my spot prize giveaway, and I am going to give these away to a lady called Charlene Byington. So well done, Charlene. These will be on their way to you. My email address is in the description box below. Please email me and I can have these sent to you. There will be more giveaways, and I do have another one to do, which I will be probably doing tomorrow now, and that will be this week's giveaway. So keep watching. Lots of chances still left in March for lots and lots of goodies. I have a basket under my counter that I have put things that I have brought, or things that I have put in there to give away. So thank you everyone. From, you know, I really want to thank you from my heart, to say thank you that, you know, you do give me the time of day. You do watch me and follow me, and I just love it. It's just lovely. You're my little YouTube family. So thank you so much to all of my subscribers for being there for me, and I hope that I'm there for you too. So that's me done for today probably, and I shall see you all tomorrow. And well done, Charlene. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for supporting me. So take care. See you soon. Bye bye.